How to put objects outside the margin and width. So as you can see, this will serve as the margin. We have in here this blinds, and they will serve as the margin. And when you try to put any elements outside the margin, you will see this prompt that will say that visitors won't be able to see this particular button when you preview it. So in order to actually bypass it and put objects around it, I have put it right here, a new section, and I'll head over and click on this plus, which is the add elements option. Just choose the strip and then just choose any strip that you want, and I'll just drag them right around here. Now, on this strip, the margin will not apply, so I can head over and add in here this particular object, and then I will show, or I will add it right here. And when I try to publish it onto my site, I should be able to still see it even though it is outside the margin on Wix. So that's how you put objects outside the margin on Wix. Hope we helped.